Let's explore the fascinating, and often overlooked, world of toothpick manufacturing. We will delve into the intricate processes and machinery that transform raw wood into the tiny, yet indispensable, tools we use countless times each day. Our journey begins with the wood slicing machine, the critical first step in this fascinating process. Massive blocks of wood, often sourced from sustainable forests, are fed into this specialized machine. The machine, equipped with incredibly sharp blades, meticulously slices the wood into thin sheets. The precision of this initial cut is paramount, as these sheets serve as the foundation for every single toothpick produced. The quality of the wood and the exactness of the slicing process directly impact the final product's quality and uniformity. The next stage takes us to the stick-making machine, a marvel of engineering. Here, the thin wood sheets from the slicing machine are carefully fed into a mechanism that expertly cuts them into individual toothpick sticks. This machine employs a complex series of rotating blades and cutting guides to achieve incredibly precise dimensions. The speed at which the stick-making machine operates is astounding, churning out thousands of toothpicks per minute. The accuracy ensures that each toothpick is consistent in size, shape, and overall quality, ready for the next phase. Following stick creation, the process progresses to the polishing machine. This machine is designed to smooth the rough edges and remove any splinters, giving each toothpick a refined, aesthetically pleasing finish. The polishing process often involves a tumbling action, where the toothpicks are gently rotated against each other with a polishing compound. This critical step not only enhances the appearance, but also significantly improves the user experience, making the toothpicks safer and more comfortable to use. It's a testament to the fact that even the smallest of products undergo elaborate steps to achieve the desired quality. Finally, we arrive at the sharpening machine, the final station in our toothpick journey. This machine precisely shapes and sharpens one or both ends of the toothpicks, depending on the specific design. The sharpening process involves specialized grinding wheels or cutting tools that create the characteristic pointed ends of the toothpicks. The precision of this machine is crucial for ensuring the toothpicks are both effective at their intended use and safe to handle. These four machines, the wood slicer, the stick maker, the polisher, and the sharpener, work in perfect synchronization, a well-orchestrated dance of technology and efficiency. They collectively produce the unassuming toothpicks we frequently use, rarely pausing to consider the effort and innovation involved in their creation. From the initial slice of wood to the final sharpened product, the process demonstrates an impressive synergy of engineering prowess and manufacturing skill, creating something simple, yet essential.